If you're seeing the itch.io error 429, don't worry. This usually means the site is rate limiting your requests, and in most cases, it can be fixed with a few simple steps. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to fix itch.io error 429 quickly and safely, so you can get back to browsing or downloading without the frustration. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fix videos like this. Let's jump in. First, refresh the page once and then pause for a moment. A 429 error often happens when you send too many requests too quickly, so the best first step is to stop repeated clicking or repeated download attempts. If you keep refreshing over and over, you can actually make the problem last longer. So take a breath, refresh once, and wait a little before trying again. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted browser data can sometimes interfere with itch.io loading properly, and clearing that data can remove the issue. If you're using Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or another browser, go into the browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear the cached files in cookies for itch.io. After that, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try the site again. If the error is still there, try a different browser. Sometimes the issue is not with itch.io itself, but with the browser you're currently using. Switching from Chrome to Edge, Firefox, or another browser can help you confirm whether the problem is browser-related. If the page loads normally in a different browser, then you know the original browser was likely causing the issue. You should also check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can sometimes trigger repeated failed requests, which may contribute to the error. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable, try reconnecting, or restart your router if needed. If you're on mobile data or a VPN, try switching connections to see if that improves the result. Another important step is to simply try again later. Since error 429 is often a rate limit issue, the fastest fix may just be waiting a little while before returning to the page. If itch.io is temporarily limiting requests from your connection, the restriction can clear on its own after some time. Come back later, reload the page once, and see if the site works normally. If you've gone through all of these steps and the issue still continues, the problem may be temporary on itch.io's side or related to your network. In that case, keeping your requests minimal, avoiding rapid refreshes, and giving the site some time is usually the best approach. So to recap, refresh once, stop repeated clicking or downloading, clear your browser cache and cookies, try a different browser, check your internet connection, and if needed, wait and try again later. These simple steps solve most itch.io error 429 problems. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.